Okay, so one more thing I want to do is say one of the fun things I like to do is have something spin so it goes out of the picture. Okay, so we're going to make dinosaur spin kind of to like a vortex. So what I'm going to do is move this tile over. So when space is pressed, but we're not going to do space. You'll notice there's a little drop down arrow. We're going to go and do the down arrow because I know if I press down, it's going to go into a vortex. All right, so the down arrow, then we are going to, well, if I want it to spin, that means it's going to turn certain degrees. So we'll take that. It'll turn 15 degrees. We will also have it look a little bit different. So see this change size? We're going to say change size by -10. So we'll say -10. Now, remember I said I like to have that, when I click that green flag, everything goes back to normal. So if I go back to set size to 100%, I'm going to put that up there. So it's going to clear the graphics. It's going to set the size to 100%. And I'm also going to put my dinosaur right back to its location where it's at right now, which is -9 and -15 right here on my screen. Now, if I click the down arrow, you'll notice it only goes a little bit like this. It doesn't do a whole lot. So let's reset it. But it didn't go back to its original position. So we want to add that point in direction of 90. Boom, right back to where it goes. Now, so we wanted to do this over and over and over. So we want to add a loop. So in our control, we will do, maybe we'll repeat it 10 times. So that means 10 times it's going to turn 15 degrees and go -10 with the down arrow. Ready? Let's test it. It's like it was going into a vortex. All right, so we could slow that down by making this take a few seconds in between each one. So say I said, let's wait a second after we do it. Let's reset the whole thing. Let's press the down arrow. And then it will slowly click as it's falling away. If I wanted to go even a little bit faster than that, instead of 1 second waiting, what's less than a second? 0.5. So let's try that. Let's reset it and let's do the down arrow. And it goes a little bit faster as it goes into that vortex going so far away. All right, have some fun.